Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi Colorado, this is Clete Crocker. I'm here once again at Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom, and I have something I'm going to talk to you about today that I have not talked to you about. Now we're going to talk about this washer and this brand, and this is the brand of Speed Queen. Now you've never heard me talk about Speed Queen that much, frankly because it's not the most publicized brand out there, but it is the old faithful brand. It's been around for a long time, and it is still just as popular today as it always has been. And it's just like that tried and true. It's built pretty much like the way it started. It's actually made in the US, right there in Wisconsin. And it's one of the things that we've done really well in. The interesting thing about this is this has such a following, we don't need to advertise it. People come in just asking for this brand's Speed Queen. So this one runs $12.99. This is one of their most popular washers. It's got their classic clean system on it. You know, it's about twice as much as other brands, but people buy it because this one lasts forever, and it's very durable. In fact, it says commercial right on there. So, you know, some other brands say commercial and they still got plastic parts on it. This one doesn't. This one is a commercial, and it's built full of sturdy metal parts, things that people like. So if you're the kind of customer that, you know, you're tired of the front load noise, I'm talking about the things you hear about, the smell, mold, and, you know, maybe it's just you just don't want to get involved in that. You don't really like the top loads of today's market because, well, they don't fill up as water like you're used to. Well, this is what you're used to from the past. This is something that has been around that I think about like the old Maytags. It's just really that good. So this is a TC 5003 WN. Like I said, it's on right now for $12.99. And some things about it that I think you'll like and you'll remember. It has got the traditional agitator inside of there, but this one is an agitator that's hooked right into the motor. And when it does its turn, it's going to spin around each way 210 degrees. That's not usual. Most agitators don't work that aggressively. And it also it agitates about 60 strokes a minute. So this one, it's going to give you a much better clean than you're used to. It's again, the clean because of the extra water and the way the agitator runs. It's the clean that you're used to from the past. The other thing about it is this lid doesn't lock. You know, you're used to having to hit a button now, and you have to wait till it tells you to go, and then you open it. Not with the Speed Queen. With the Speed Queen, you open the lid, this instantly stops, so it's completely safe, and you can add to it whenever you want, right? And then shut it, and it takes off again. Another thing about it, it has 6 cycles, and it's got 4 temperatures. You know, there's not a lot of options on here. It's because it's using all the traditional cycles. So what I see here is delicate, normal, echo, permanent press, heavy duty, bulky sheets. That's it. Here we have rinse options. So you got the extra rinse, the pre-soak, the heavy soil. This one over here fills it all the way up to the top. And right here, this is interesting too. So we have cold, cool, warm, hot. So the difference is when we see other washers and they have those things, they're mixing the water. The water is, you know, a combination of hot and cold. Well, when this is cold, it's only coming out of the cold faucet. When this is hot, it's only coming out of the hot faucet. So you get true temperatures. And right in the middle, you've got, when you deal with the middle, that's when you see some blends. But if you want a cold wash, there's nothing but cold wash, and you're not touching your hot water and vice versa. So that's another thing that we like. We like that this is front serviceable. So this will pop off, and they can service it right from the front. Speaking of the service, this thing has a warranty of 5 years. You know, most things only come with a 1-year warranty now. Some of them have a 2-year warranty on the motor and 1 year on labor. This is a 5-year warranty on parts and labor. So that kind of speaks to its durability. So anyway, this is something I just think you're going to like. Stainless steel tub on the inside, you know, everything that you want in quality. And you know what's even better? It's got one of the quickest wash cycles on its regular cycle that you would hear of. This will wash a load in under 30 minutes. That's pretty rare. That's really rare. So, you know, we like all that stuff. I think it's something you really should consider. Yes, it costs more, but it may be the last washer you ever buy.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.